The game mode is attack and defend. I'm on the defending team. We only have 2 respawns. The attacking team has unlimited respawns. Our objective is to hold out for as long as possible and to prevent the attacking team from planting a bomb here in this bunker. If they succeed in planting the bomb, we will retreat and regroup at the Sawmill. We move forward to engage the enemy, only to be largely outmatched and lacking cover.
Yeah. Come around right here. On your right. On your right. On your right. Hit.
A large portion of the attacking team moved north in an effort to flank us while we focused our fire on those coming from the south. A group of us moved to a high room on the north side to prevent this force from surprising and overrunning our southern front.
That was a bad idea.
Yep.
Down there, what's this? Spawn quick.
Yeah.
It hurt.
I'm going up top.
Hold up. Okay, I got you.
Someone threw a grenade right there.
Oh yeah. Hello, comrade.
The guy that's here. Hey, we're going looking for
Yeah, we're gonna come over here. We're gonna go this side of the building. Go. Okay.
Watch the window, be careful.
Especially watch out for grenades. Right here on the very far side. Red building. Watch this yellow one here. They're gonna be coming through here.
Got the ship to assist you.
They're letting the guys up at the car.
Alright, I need you to cover me while I go upstairs. On 3. 1, 2,
Line this
3.
up.
Cover me. Cover me.
Go down there. I can only see one.
Let him come in.
Move me. Alright, I'm gonna move and see if I can see people from the top.
Alright. That guy. The erupted? Yeah. That's for not giving me more
Hey,
pain.
that's like this. Is like, you need to give me more pain. That's why.
Who's that aggressive potato one then?
Hey, is somebody moving on your left, sweet?
That is not a good spot for you, man.
Me, yeah. Alright, I'll cover you. Just sprint! Sprint straight! Go! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Alright.
Hit.
I'm not hit.
That was a good one.
Oh, good shit, guy. But you can never beat the true God.
Luckily it wasn't this one. That would have been bad.
I thought you were gonna go right on my off. Okay. I gotta go all the way back.
Right in the pointer.
That sucks. Yeah, yo, you want to get your hand up and get out of here if you're out.
Hit! Oh, they're coming, they're coming. Get ready, get ready.
Get down.
That's the last one. Are they down there?
No.
Hit! Let me come down. I'm hit! I'm hit! Nigga, I'm hit! Nigga!
Where's your hand, please? Where's your
I
hand?
know! I'm coming down the stairs! I'm coming down the stairs, don't shoot!
When Phase 1 ended, we knew that the enemy had accomplished their mission. They had planted a bomb in our bunker. Our fatal error was assuming that the enemy team was as coordinated as we thought they were. Very few enemies actually attempted to come from the north. Most had doubled back and overwhelmed our southern front. Defeated, but not discouraged, we retreated to the Sawmill to take our final stand in Phase 2.